ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ కాకపోతే ఇంకా లేదు వర్క్ ఇక్కడ అనుకుని చాలు అనుకుంటా
I leave to US.
యుఎస్
I will leave to US. My mentality doesn't match. It's completely different than other people.
ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది యుఎస్ లో?
अरे मेरी माँ ने तो बोला है, my mother said it, बेटा, you have your property ना, sell one, buy it in US. Go stay there, live your life, settle there. Because your mentality doesn't match. And my mother said it. So I was like, ठीक है, क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं करना है. Even though over there, if you go and work in a normal, because the wages is very high there, by the way. Let me tell you. They don't have much employees like we have in India. अपने इंडिया में लेबर ज़्यादा है. वहाँ पे नहीं है. So the wages are good. Even though if I go and work in Victoria's Secret or H&M or any big brand, I'll get good amount. और उधर ही जाकर उधर ही LA में, Burbank में you'll find all the studios. Go give the interview. एक तो प्रोफाइल तो है ना ऑनलाइन इतना बड़ा. जाओ इंटरव्यू दे दो, लक लगी नहीं लगी तो वो एंजॉय करो लाइफ में. गो गेट योर लाइक यू नो आवर्स का पे, वेजेस, enjoy your life, spend nicely, meet someone whom you think your same mentality guy. If you don't meet also, still you're happy because alcohol is very 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 cheap. Though I cannot drink after my operation, but still अपने आप ना दिल को बोल के तसल्ली हो जाती है कि हाँ नहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो फन हो जाएगा. So that's what I have decided.
సో ముమైత్ డార్క్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ చూసింది అంటే ఫినాన్షియల్ కానీ అండ్ ఫేమ్ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ చూసింది. సో ముమైత్ సోషల్ సర్వీస్ లాంటివి ఏమన్నా వాటిల్లో ఉంది అంటే కొంచెం ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చూసి ఫేమ్ చూసిన వాళ్ళకి ఆ పెయిన్ తెలుస్తుంది.
See, I would love to do that, but I would still want to come on that position to do that.
Okay.
Right now, whatever I did was for myself and my family. You know, there is this saying, the charity begins at home.
Yes.
The charity begins at home and it is true. So till now, Mumayat only gave her life taking care of her house and her family, her mother and father. That was her whole goal. And whatever she has right now, it is only enough for that.
Okay.
She cannot share it with anybody. क्योंकि वो शेयर करने जाएगी ना खुद ही टूट के गिर जाएगी. So I will not be like यार नहीं मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है तो भी मैं करके दूंगी. No, मेरे को इतना दयावान नहीं बनना है. I would rather work sensible. I would rather do smart things where I know यार ठीक है किसी और से या कैसे भी socially करके we can give it. I would love to be part of something like that.
Okay.
Where I can really help it. And I especially want to help all the animals and old age people.
Yeah.
मेरा ये अरमान है. This is my dream for sure.
ఎన్ని పెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీ దగ్గర? పెట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
Now to I have one Molly. इतनी छोटी है, so much attitude she's got. She's worse than her owner.
He raised by you.
हाँ, that's why I'm saying ना she's worse than her owner. She's worst. They say it ना, your pet is the reflection of your owner. She's worst. I was never like that. अरे she's a mini pincher. She's only 3 feet. Her attitude is of 15 feet. और जैसे कुछ ऐसे भी आवाज आए ना she'll run first. She will run first for her life. She will run first. हाँ. And then one day I was telling her, Molly, बेटा हम लोग सब मर जाएंगे, तू अकेली रहेगी, तेरे को कौन देखे? ऐसा भागते नहीं, साथ में मरने का, भागना नहीं है. She is Molly and she is there with me from last 3 years now. Since childhood till now, I had more than 9 cats. I had more than Moti was having 16 kids. So 16. फिर Sophie और 2 Dashin, Prince and Princess, 2 Dashin. Then I had German Shepherd. I had a normal dog. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Normal dog. And then I came here, I bought Pitbull. And then I since childhood, babe, not just now. Since childhood, I loved it. More than 25 dogs I had it, and now Molly is there.
अमला गारी वर्क गुరించి ఐడియా ఉందా? పెట్స్
हाँ, मेरी माँ तो पानी मार के भगाती थी. मेरी माँ they'll come and be with me because I used to give love.
అమలా గారు నాగార్జున గారు వైఫ్.
अच्छा अमला. Oh okay, I thought you were saying Amma, my mother.
No, అమలా.
हाँ. So that was there, and then I had 2 monkeys, and I had parrot. My father was having 1 monkey, normal one, and then goats and chicken. Desi chicken.
Okay. Got it.
I love pets. मेरी माँ बोलती ना बेटा तू I was telling Gopi the other day, Gopi I wanna actually genuinely I wanna pet buffalo.
Okay.
They look so cute.
ఇక్కడ
Boy, this is
హైదరాబాద్ లో
so
మీ
cute.
ఇంట్లో సరిపోతుందా ప్లేస్?
No, no, my mother is saying buy a bungalow. You keep it in your backyard, your zoo. So I wanna have a proper goat, hen. I like it.
Yeah,
It's your time pass. It's
Time
not
pass,
time
yeah,
pass. It's just the
it's
love
love
you
it.
wanna give. That's what. Because my goat used to touch his head on my head to love me.
Okay.
So that's when I miss my goat. In Muslim, you're supposed to take care of your goat, and then Bakra Eid mein you're supposed to give it, because there is a saying like Allah maaf karna, I forgot the name, but then there is a saying a guy was said to give bali of his son, so he was ready. So when he was ready, so then that's where the God was like, you know what? No, wait. Instead of that, you do it on the goat. So that's the reason why in Muslim you're supposed to take care of a goat for a whole year as your own child. And then you cannot give the bali. You cannot. And when you do it, so that's where the heart breaks. So that's the ritual. The ritual is completely different and you cannot break that ritual. Watch my exclusive interview on iDream Media with Harshini and please subscribe to this channel.